Tired of project management feeling like a circus act? Let's ditch the chaos and create a streamlined workflow by setting up your own Basecamp account. First, navigate to Basecamp.com in your web browser. You'll see a prominent call to action, typically a button that says Start Free or Sign Up. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. Next, create a strong and secure password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. Basecamp offers various subscription plans to suit different team sizes and needs. Take a moment to explore these options and select the plan that best fits your requirements. They often have a free trial period, so you can test the waters before committing. Once you've chosen your plan, it's time to customize your profile. Add your full name and upload a professional profile picture. This helps your team members easily identify and connect with you within Basecamp. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Basecamp account. Now you're ready to start creating projects, inviting your team members, and organizing tasks. Explore the different features and start collaborating seamlessly. Get ready to boost productivity and enhance team communication with your new Basecamp workspace.